So on the cable here, it's easy to move. Yes, easy to move, turn left or right, and this is the tips, soldering tips, 5 pieces. Yes, 6 pieces in one set. So it has the models for Philip 1.5, Philip 1.5, and Star 0.8, and the models for the Philip double Philip 2.5. Yes, double Philip 2.5 and Star 1.5, 1.2. So this set is to use for the iPhone opening tools.
能问一下，就是那个昨天晚上那个客户他要查提出款的话，他要扣多少手续费？20吗？
收20就可以。Hello, welcome to Baku channel. Please follow our store so you can find me again next time. Welcome to Baku channels. Hello, welcome. And also we have another colors is the garden. Yes, the garden colors. And this is the gardens and the silver. And this is also for the size for different size. 6 pieces in one set for the iPhone repairing. And this is the BA 357 is the 3D screwdrivers, and also you can choose for different size. Yes, different size, and different size for different mobile phones openings. So it is very important to select a very high quality screwdriver, because if the screwdrivers, it can easy to, if it's bad qualities, it will damage the screws on our cell phone. So, and also this is very high quality pieces. This is the 355, this model 355, and it with different colors, and the colors will change under of the line. And this is the opening tools. The opening tools in 3 pieces in one set. 3 pieces in one set. And also it used the craft paper package, and it used the high quality materials of the non-gun potato tools, and it is non-metal. Non-metal tools is suitable for use along electronics, discharges, stationary items.